Hey, how's it going, guys? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. And in this video, guys, I'm going to go over the high ticket affiliate accelerator. This program, guys, is absolutely amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and dive right in and show you what it's about and how you can start making money with it today. Okay. So first of all, I'm just going to go over the owners who actually came up with this program. They were honestly tired of the industry, like basically tired of people just kind of throwing solo ads to a funnel, and then, people are just kind of losing money with throwing solo ads to a random funnel, and there's no value being provided. So these guys got together. Basically, we got Joshua Alder, Paulo Barroso, Brian Dixon, and Fraser McDonald. All different. They're all experts in different niches, but they're all seven-figure earners. So, for example, Joshua Elder, he is basically a YouTube expert, and he teaches how to make money with YouTube using free traffic, how to build an audience, with a specific niche. So that's Joshua Elder. Fraser McDonald, he basically built a seven-figure affiliate marketing business just using Facebook free traffic. Awesome guy. And Brian Dixon, he's actually he has the Facebook ads chatbot mastery course, and he basically teaches how to scale up with a Facebook ad, Facebook Messenger bot. And this guy created an eight-figure income just with using Facebook ads. So he's the expert in Facebook ads. And then Paulo Barroso, he is the email marketing expert. Okay, so these guys got together and made this program called the high ticket affiliate program here. So HTAA, high ticket affiliate accelerator. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have so this is the actual back end of the course here. So the first, in the home, he's going to give an introduction, how it all works. You get access to the private Facebook group, and then everything's all here, like what to do, how to get started, all that stuff. He even gives you a Facebook chat where he basically gives you videos so you can use as your own. So it's very, very awesome, and you use it to promote the program as well. In the Build Accelerator, which is the first module in here, basically just setting up your business, getting your mindset right, and how to set up your email autoresponders, just kind of some basic stuff, but, very good if, you're a straight beginner and you've never done any of this stuff. This stuff is amazing. He teaches you how to set up your funnel builder, your tracking tools, your autoresponder, all that stuff. So if you're brand new, this is where you would want to start. Now, if you obviously have all this stuff done, you want to start in the Elevate Accelerator. This is where you kind of get into the meat and potatoes. So in here, you have Paulo Barroso teaching you how to do email marketing and how he built his seven-figure business. Very, very good module. The Facebook free traffic is by Fraser McDonald. He goes into deep. He has a lot of modules in here and how he basically gets leads with Facebook, and he just does affiliate marketing. He just sells other people's products. So very good module. This one right here, Chatbot Profits. This is one of my favorites. Brian Dixon shows you how to set up Facebook Messenger bots, which is here in 2019, guys. This is one of the biggest things you can do as far as getting leads. You're building relationships with people, and you're using that as a way to communicate with them in their inbox. So very, very good one here. And then Transcend Accelerator, this one's by Joshua Elder. He's the YouTube expert, guys. This guy built to 50,000 subscribers pretty quickly, and he goes through all the modules. This one's very, very deep and detailed, so very good right there. And then the highest level of this program is the Awaken Accelerator. It's basically the eight-figure mastermind. What this is they're basically going to have like conferences, and there's very, very advanced tactics when it comes to Facebook marketing, scaling up your business to that eight-figure. So this is the what's it called? I'm in the Awaken Accelerator myself. I'm going through the modules actually as we speak, and guys, this stuff is absolutely incredible. I can show you some of the stuff in here. He goes deep too. Some of these videos are like 2 hours deep, 2 hours long, but as long as you follow them, guys, you're gonna see some really good results. So, as you can see here, the seven-figure action plan, how to get, he gives you a way to get 3,000 likes on your fan page with like $5. It's insane. And then here, actually, he's just starting this. So this is actually an 8-week course, and we're going through it week by week. But yeah, he's teaching you how to correctly set up a Facebook ad. He gives you everything you need in here. So if you look in here, he gives you all the documentation you need. And yeah, so amazing course. There's also some bonuses in here. I won't go over those too much, but really good bonuses as well. And here's the cool thing that I like, guys. They give you everything you need. For example, for the messenger bot, they give you the free tools to, this is the messenger bot here. This is what we use to get leads, guys. So in here, this is how we pre-screen our leads. That way we separate those from the tire kickers from the ones who are actually serious. So this one will, this bot will basically pre-screen someone before they even, we can even talk to them, just because, we don't want to be wasting time with people that aren't too serious or don't have money, because, we are selling a high ticket affiliate program. So, we want to find a way to be able to pre-screen them automatically, but also build that relationship and that value at the same time. So, but this is all given to you. You don't have to worry about recreating it. It might look complicated in here. I can't show you too much because this is part of the program, but that's that. And then here's the cool thing, guys. I literally can message them any time of the day. They're really cool guys. As you can see here, I've been talking to Joshua Elder. We go back and forth. We kind of go back and then we talk about, strategy, but, he's very helpful. Brian Dixon, he's the Facebook master, the Facebook expert. We go back and forth as well. And yeah, guys, they're very, very helpful. For 7-figure earners, guys, they're actually very, very down to earth, and I highly recommend the program. So, and then as well as Fraser McDonald, we're going back and forth as well. So anyways, guys, if you are interested in joining the high ticket accelerator, you do have to go through a screening process to see if this program is a fit for you, and see if this is something that I would like to work with you with, because we don't work with just anyone, guys. We work with people that actually are serious and that want to see results. That way we can see, we can have you as a testimonial. So click the link below. You'll go through a Facebook Messenger sequence. You'll submit the answers, and then I'll reach out to you personally, and I'll give you some more info about the prices, the different levels and how you can make money. But basically, it's a 50% commission fee, guys. So anything you make on this, you make 50%, and then 25% for anyone that signs up under them. So that's basically how it works, and that's the high ticket accelerator, guys. I hope that video was of value to you. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, if you want to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. I also teach ClickFunnels as well. I'm a ClickFunnels affiliate. And but yeah, please like the video, comment, and reach out to me personally if you want. Okay, there's a link in the description as well to reach out to me personally. You guys have a great day.